Hi guys, Retro Trek Ralph here with another review, Star Wars review. Last year we had the Wookiee, the Chewbacca. This year for Christmas, it's the toy for 2020. It's what everybody was after. These things sold out like crazy. This is the Star Wars, the Mandalorian, the child. And if you've seen the series, you know exactly who it is. It's the species from what Yoda was from. He's obviously only a baby one. He's only 50 years old, so he's not really that old anyway. But he's kind of the child, but we find out his name is Grogu. If you don't know that, then, yeah, there you go. Spoiled his name for you. That's all I'll spoil for you. But this is the Hasbro version. It's 7 inches tall. So it's full animatronic, well, sort of animatronic. The arms, the ears, the eyes move, sensor on the head. Let's go through the box for you here anyway. Touch head. Yes, that didn't help much. 25 plus sound and movement combinations. We'll try and see if we can find as much of those as we can. Animatronic edition. Let's go through the sides. Shows a picture of little baby. Well, they used to call it Baby Yoda, but it's obviously not now. But there's the child, as the Mandalorian would call him. Force move. This is just a force move. Yep. Lay down for a nap. See, what I can think with it, we're actually playing with this beforehand, is you touch his head, and if you will do certain things, you lay him down, you'll do others. Also comes with the Mandalorian symbol there. Looks like a goat head with yes, things on it. Right, what I've found out for this as well, let me say the other side as well. There we go. If you want to keep your box and not rip open this, because this is secured to the base, is 4 simple steps. There are 4 pieces of sellotape we need to remove or just cut into. There's one here, one here. You can see the shiny part of sellotape possibly at one angle or another, but it's definitely there and there, which will remove this part here, but it's still attached. So you need to go underneath, piece of sellotape there, and piece of sellotape there. So if you want to keep your box and not have it ripped open, destroyed, if you want to put this back in the box, you want to collect it, but you still want to play with it, just cut those, remove those. That will remove this entire front flap, bringing little Baby Yoda out. Now on the bottom of here, these 2 securing nuts, just turn them 90 degrees, and out pops Baby Yoda. Well, yeah, it's the child. I've taken this part out. I have not actually done this yet, but I think probably same again. Get a sharp knife. If kids are watching this, get a parent to do the cutting. That flap should hopefully open up. Ah, that's good news. So I can reseal that back in, removing to get this strange pendant. And I've got full instructions in here. Mandalorian, the child. I've got, looks like just warranty or just Lidl bump. Don't really need that. We'll put that back in the box. I do like to collect these anyway, so it's kind of nice to keep everything as original as possible. Battery leakage, yes, we understand that. So this is the full instructions. 4 and above. I am above 4, so that's fine. There's a switch on the back, which goes through. If you look on there, we'll show it in a bit anyway. If it's in center, the star, that means the demo mode. The 0 means that it's off, and then the line across means it's on. Oh, well, for obvious reasons. Just the head, there's obviously a activation sensor on top. Tap 3 times for force movement. Okay. See, I've collected Doctor Who sonic screwdrivers, and you'd press the button once, it'd be fine. Press it twice, did a different noise. 3 times, 4 times. There were different things that they would do. So, if you wanted to lay down, do not hold by the ears. That's a good little thing for anybody who's got children. So don't hold your children by the ears, don't hold your pets by the ears. Ears are just there to be listened, and that's it. So we have, it looks like it's just a plastic pendant. Looks like that's clips in place, so that might be magnetic, but it's not. Goes around his neck, around the ears, is done. Dangles down too much, but you can always pull it back at the back anyway, so it looks like it's there. Now my biggest problem with this is my filming position is always top down, and I think if he lays down he will go to sleep, but let's see what happens. Underneath his cape, the battery pack's underneath there, 1-2 screws, the 2 little holes there for keeping him back on the base are there as well. He's got an undergarment on, he's fully plastic, but he's an undergarment anyway. The speaker's on the front to hear everything, and this is that switch on the back. Now it's on, well it's off at the moment, but this tiny switch just moves a little tiny bit to middle and middle bit to the left. So let's go for the on switch. They obviously do demos with it being in the middle, but that's in the shop. So let's have a look at what he does. So you tap the head. He don't want to work. Does that do anything? Has that got a magnet or anything? I think it should work on its own now. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let me see what happens when you lay him down. Riddles around, goes to sleep. Okay. Will that work on his... Still sleeping? Let's stand him back up again. See if he'll wake up. It kind of reminds me of the Gremlins toy that you used to... I think they were... The Gremlins film was out in the 80s, but I think they brought toys out in the 90s or 2000s. Oh, hello. Excuse me. But they were kind of part animatronic. Obviously Gizmo had a massive ears and the strange likes. I'll hold it in front to show I'm not puppet. He's not a puppet. I mean, all it is base. Ooh, in force again. He's basically just going through the motions of being a baby and whatever their species the Yodas were. Of Grogu. So look, detail what is on here. The hands. See there, he's only got three fingers. Can you? Shh, thank you. 3 fingers. It's doing it on its own now. You see that? I don't think these are sound sensitive, but they're kind of a little bit weirdly not. That's just not annoying enough, is it? Baby sleep. So it's a shame the mouth doesn't move, but yeah. You can tell these are silicone, rubber parts, plastic. Oh, nearly headbutted the camera. The outfit is a one-piece outfit with this collar and cuffs put on. Was it keeping him awake? He's back awake again. It's not. I'm not doing anything to this. It's just moving around. Obviously, there's some screws on there, but it's kind of. I'm not taking this to pieces. Don't even ask me. But it looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4 maybe screws, possibly. I don't think there's any more up there. So you have to remove those 4, those 2 for the battery pack. They take, I think, 3 AA's, but go to sleep. Go to sleep. That's really quite good, that. Honestly. His eye open a little bit. He's keeping an eye on me. I thought that might have done something. I think they were like Furby toys or something that had a... Well, Poochie toys, I think, when they had a little thing with them that had a magnet inside. That would do something. Does that actually fit in his hand? Nope. Yep. Nope. Yep. And nope. You just can't help play with it, really. I mean, there's got to be more sensors on this somewhere. Something on the back. It's probably just a... yeah, a touch sensitive button. But yeah, that's really, really good. Really interesting. You gonna sleep stood up? Never shake babies. You can sleep standing up. Right. So I think back down. There must be a tilt sensor inside here anyway. There it goes. Back open again. That's really very oddly, weirdly, oddly, shall we say. So the sound effects are just from a baby anyway. I don't think it's not, is it? The feet are there, but it's kind of, I think when it moves, yeah, because the head will move, moving, tilting forward and back. The whole body would move. Because it's just on that rocking motion underneath it. There you go. So yeah, if you want one, good luck finding one. But I'm sure there'll be one of the sales or when they get back in stock. But this is the Hasbro, the child, should we say, Grogu Star Wars toy. So yeah, it's been out for a little while, but it's Christmas. Well, it was Christmas by the time I'm filming anyway. So there you go. Enjoy. Go find one yourself. Okay, you can be quiet now, thank you. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye for now. I'm gonna go away. Bye bye.